Good morning, my sweet kindergartners. I hope you're ready to get down to work on some foundation skills. Sorry, I was trying to find my cards. I hope you're ready to get down to work and you're ready to learn and continue to learn while you're at home. All right, guys, let's do some letters and sounds. N, nut, n. K, kite, k. S, snake, s. G, game, g. P, pan, p. C, cat, k. T, top, t. B, bat, b. X, fox, x. Z, zebra, z. Q, queen, qu. A, apple, a. H, hat, h. M, man, m. U, up, F, fun, f. E, ed, D, dog, d. L, lamp, ol. W, wind, w. I, itch, I. R, rat, Nice job, guys. Okay, let's do our vowel extension poster. Here we go. Apple. A, apple, ed. E, ed, itch. I, itch, octopus. O, octopus, up. U, up, Oh, bless me. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's do our trick words. Two, T-O, two. R, A-R-E, R. A, The, T-H-E, the. Is, his, I-S is, H-I-S, his. And, A-N-D, and. Awesome. Okay, well, today we have some new trick words, which means I'm going to write a sentence, and I'm going to circle a word, and you have to figure out what that word is, okay? So I'm going to write a sentence. I'm going to make sure I have a capital at the beginning and a period at the end, and that there's finger spaces between all my words. And here's my sentence. Meg is as tall as Tom. Meg is as tall as Tom. Meg is as tall as Tom. I'm going to circle a word. It's in this sentence 2 times, though. What word did I circle? As. A-S, as. Say that. A-S, as. Meg is as tall as Tom. It's a comparing word, isn't it? It's a good one. All right, I'm going to change to a new sentence. So I'm going to write as up here so we don't forget what our first word is. And then I'm going to write a new sentence. Now, the new trick word has as in it. See if you can figure out what it is. Tom has 5 pennies. Tom has 5 pennies. Now here's the word as that we just did. Can you find a word that has as in it? Let me circle it. What's that word? Tom has 5 pennies. What's that word? Has. H-A-S. Has. H-A-S, has. As, has. They have the same sounds in them, except for has an extra sound. So they are on the same card. A-S as, H-A-S has. A-S as, H-A-S has. Okay. Let's practice those by air writing them, okay? Put your arm out nice and straight. We're going to teach this big muscle how to do it so that it can teach these little muscles how to do it. Are you ready? Let's do as. A-S, as. Let's do has. H-A-S, has. A-S as, H-A-S has. Let's try it on the ceiling. A-S as. H-A-S has. As has. Let's write as on your forehead. A-S as. Let's write has on your cheek. H-A-S has. As has. A-S as, H-A-S has. Good. All right, let's practice writing the letters in as and has, okay? So let's work on the letter A first, because that's the first letter in the word as. Okay, so A is a plain line round letter. It starts on the plain line just like a C. Point to the plain line. Start to fly back. Go around and down to the grass line. Up to the plain line. Back down to the grass line. A, apple, ah. I'm going to write that with it facing me. It'll look a lot nicer. Start to fly back. Around and down to the grass line. Up to the plain line. Down to the grass line. A, apple, ah. Okay. Again. Start to fly back. Go around and down to the grass line. Straight up, straight down. A, apple, ah. Okay, let's add an S to that. Okay, S is a plain line letter. It starts on the plain line. Start to fly back. Curve in, curve out to the plain line. As. Okay, let's trace that S. Start to fly back, curve in, curve out to the grass line. As. Okay, let's put an H at the beginning to make it has. H is a skyline letter. It starts on the skyline. Point to the skyline. Go down to the grass line. Back up to the plain line. Add a hump. H-A-S. Has. Let's practice writing that a couple of times nicely. Okay? H-A-S. Has. H-A-S. Has. One more time. H-A-S. Has. H-A-S. Has. A-S as, H-A-S has. Awesome. Okay. Let's do some unit sounds. Get ready to write. We're going to do some dictation. All right, so we'll write them, and then we'll go back at the end and we'll check them together, just like I do with the first graders, because you guys are this close to being first graders. So close. Okay. Let's start with some unit sounds, and let's start with the sound k, k. Now remember, there's more than one way to make the sound k. Write both of them. K, k. All right, let's also write z, z. And our third sound is going to be w, w, w. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to show you yet. W, w. All right, now we're going to write 3 words, okay? Now, I'm going to choose words that have a k, k, k sound in them, okay? So you have to pay attention to whether they have a C or a K, all right? Here we go. Let's do cop, cop, op, cop. Think about that. Does that ah sound have a C or a K? See if you can get it right. Cop, cop. All right, let's do a name. A name's going to have a capital letter, right? Let's do Kim, K-im, Kim, K-im, Kim. Okay, so now you have to decide, is that a C or a K if it's got the sound I, I. Kim, Kim. All right, let's do one more word. Let's do cut, 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 cut. Is that a C or a K if it's got cut, cut, cut. All right, let's go back and check together. Let's see how you did. All right, so our first sound was K, and you needed to write a C and a K, because both of those make the K sound. Then we did Z, that's Z, zebra, Z. And then we did W, W, wind, W, W. Okay, our words, cop. When there's an O, you use a C. C-O-P, k-op, cop. Then we did Kim. When there's an I, you use a K. K-I-M, k-I-m, Kim. And last one, cut. When there's an you use a C. K-ut, C-U-T, cut. All right, kindergarten, you are awesome, and I hope that you are continuing to work at home, and you continue to do my Fundations videos, and you continue to work with Mrs. Highland, and you continue to do your packets, because I know you can do it. Okay, we're going to be home for the rest of the year, but that doesn't mean that we can't get smarter and become a more hard worker, so that next year, when you come hang out with Mrs. T in first grade, you are ready. Okay? You ready to come see me? I know you are. I'm ready to see you. Have a great day. Bye, guys.